You false provider, it ain't nothing to me. I'll call you bluff and have you duck like Brad and stuff inside a duffel to me. Ain't no scuffle, newbie.
What's up guys, in this video let's unbox and check out the structural durability of the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, the first Redmi phone with an 18:9 display. What makes this phone attractive is the 18:9 screen ratio, which is something new for a budget range Redmi device, and the slightly rounded edges at the corners actually add to its good looks. But the first thing which impressed me is the solid weight which you can instantly feel on picking up the phone, because this should generally mean better build quality unlike the really weak Honor 9 Lite from the last video. So I have high hopes of it passing the bend test. Some other useful features will be the huge 4000 mAh battery and the front firing flashlight along with the usual gyroscope and infrared sensor. Continuing with the display scratch test with common items like keys, coins, SIM ejaculator pin and the box cutter, let's find out if this unnamed glass protection is as durable as Gorilla Glass or not. This time around, this glass has also survived the test with no deep or even minor scratches, though it is always advisable to use screen protection like a tempered glass to protect it from bad drops and scratches over time. Now moving on to the bend test, let's see if this solid feeling device can withstand my bend force, the one which caused kinks to develop in the Mi A1 and Mi Max 2 and broke the Honor 9 Lite. As the heavier weight of the Redmi 5 Plus suggested earlier, structural strength wise it is in fact one of the stronger phones tested on the channel. The cracking sound was simply due to the screen popping out of the frame when applying force from the back. The Redmi 5 Plus easily passes my bend test with absolutely no breakage or kinks near the power keys. Stay tuned for more interesting tech on stuff like the splash water test. Make sure to press like, the free subscribe button and the bell icon. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.